Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Allie. I'm a mom to 3. We live in Virginia and I love filming cleaning videos. So today we are gonna do a whole house clean with me. The reason that I am doing this is because we are actually gonna be going on a trip to Charleston, South Carolina next week. And I wanna make sure that my house is clean and ready for us to come back to. There's nothing better than that feeling of coming home from a trip to a clean house. So that's what we're doing today. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you guys considered doing that. If you like this type of video, let me know. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. And let's get started. Let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna start in my son's room. This is my oldest son, Oakley's room, and I just kind of wanna make sure that it's all neat, things are put away, the bed is made, all clothes and laundry is put away. Typically, I will wash clothes and I will just kind of drop clothes off at the dresser and they'll stay here for a few days before I get the time to put them away. So I'm gonna make sure that all clothes are put away. I especially like when I go on any trip to do all of my laundry and actually have it all put away. That way I see all of the clothes that my children have and myself included. And it's just easier for me to kind of like know what to pack because I can see all of the options that I have. I don't know about you, but I am really not a fan of packing. I find it very overwhelming. I don't even like finding one outfit for me to wear on any given day. I think that is kind of hard. And so when I have to find outfits for like 5-ish days, let alone 5-ish days worth of outfits for 3 children and myself. I mean, I'm being a little bit dramatic, but it really is so hard for me. So if I can do anything and make my life a little bit easier by making sure all the laundry is washed and put away so I can see all my options and be a little bit less overwhelmed or confused, then I will do it.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh.
I want to thank Birch Living for sponsoring this next portion of today's video. So really quickly before I make my bed, I want to show you the mattress that we have been sleeping on for the last several months. This is the new Birch Luxe Natural Mattress. If you're not familiar with Birch Living, they are a premium mattress in a box company and they make their mattresses in America. They also use sustainably produced and sourced materials, which I really love and appreciate. This mattress is also organic and 100% non-toxic, which is really important to me. I try and do the best I can providing the safest products for my family, and our mattress is just no exception. I'm a mom to 3 and I'm still getting up in the middle of the night with my youngest and sometimes some of my older kids as well. well. And so getting a good night's sleep is really important to me and my husband when we do get to sleep. There's 8 different layers to this mattress, all designed with breathability and support in mind, which my husband and I have definitely found to be the case. The motion transfer on this bed is also really good, and when either my husband or I have to get up in the middle of the night, we don't feel when the other gets up or comes back to bed, which means that we're all getting a more restful sleep. There's plenty of airflow keeping us cool at night. I also have found that this mattress helps to relieve pressure points, and I no longer wake up feeling stiff like I used to on my previous mattress. With your Birch mattress, you'll get a 100-night sleep trial, along with a 25-year warranty. So if it makes you a little nervous to buy something that you haven't tried before, you get more than 3 months to make sure that you love it. And if you don't for whatever reason, they'll pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. The best part about all of this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your front door for free within the US. It comes rolled up, it's in a box, and it's super easy for you to set it up yourself. We love our Birchluxe mattress, and I really think that you will too. So if you're looking for a mattress, check out Birch. You can click the link below or visit birchliving.com/simplyallie for $400 off your Birch mattress plus 2 free pillows. This is one of those tell me you have kids without telling me you have kids kind of moments. This is actually a utensil. It came with a really cute set with like a spoon and a fork, and then this thing's like meant to shove the food on, and a plate that matched too. Anyways, it was stuck in our air vent and it had been there for probably weeks. So I finally took the time to take it out. Of course it was stuck. But now I'm moving over to my dresser. This is our catch-all. This always seems to be filled with stuff, and it really does bother me. Another area in our master bedroom alone, I have several catch-all places throughout our home, but another area is the bench that you can kind of see in the mirror over there. That little bench also tends to collect pretty much its clothes for the most part, but yeah, we'll have 2 major catch-all areas.
But it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now.
Y'all know from previous videos, I've said this before, but this room gets so dusty so quickly. But I have done pretty good about maintaining just like the dusting and some of the vacuuming. And so I feel like it's a lot better. I, in the past, have let it go way too far, and then it's just a nightmare to clean. But yeah, this room gets so dusty so fast because there's not carpet, which is a blessing and a curse. It's a blessing because I don't have a ton of dust stuck in my carpet, but it's a curse because the floors are always dusty looking, and so are all the furniture pieces and the ceiling fan and things like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna dust today in keeping with like trying to maintain it. Now I'm going back upstairs and I am gonna clean the kids' bathroom. This does get kind of dirty just because this is where we brush the kids' teeth, and so there's always like, you know, the toothbrush splatters on the mirrors and muddy fingerprints on the counters and things like that. So I'm going to wipe down this area and get it all nice and clean so that we have a fresh, clean bathroom to come home to from vacation. I like to use magic erasers in my bathrooms to clean them, and I have heard from some people that the magic erasers can tend to take finishes off of things. I've been using magic erasers for years now, and I use them pretty often, and so far on all the surfaces I've used them on, I have never seen an issue. Magic erasers are a little bit abrasive, and so it can like scratch certain surfaces or remove finishes off certain surfaces. So I did want to put that disclaimer out there that you do want to watch the surfaces you choose to use magic erasers on, but for me, I love them. I think they work so well to clean sinks and bathtubs and showers. I think somebody told me that the glazed tubs you don't want to use magic erasers on. But yeah, like I said, for me personally, so far I have not had any issues and I've been using them for years. Now for the toilet, I'm using a Clorox toilet wand. These are the best because you don't have to touch anything and the heads are disposable. I want to know if maybe somebody has some suggestions for me, but we have rings in a lot of our toilets. You can't really see it here, but there's definitely a ring in this toilet and on some of my other ones as well. And I think it's just because I usually go way too long between cleaning the toilets, and so if I were to maintain it, I don't think that that would have happened. But let me know if you know of any way to get rid of that ring. I am all ears. And then to wipe down my toilet, I usually use a paper towel because I think it's way more sanitary than using like a reusable washcloth. It might just be in my head, I don't know. But I'm using my Thieves all-purpose cleaner and a paper towel. Moving on into the next room on my to-do list is my daughter Emmy's room. She's 5 years old and she loves being in her room and playing. She does quiet time in here on the weekends when she's not at school, and she just loves being in this room, and I love that for her. She does keep her room clean when she's done with quiet time or she's done playing in here. She does need to clean up after herself. Of course, she's 5 years old, and so she does the job of a 5-year-old, and so I do like to come in here and just kind of tidy up, put things back where they're supposed to go, and just make sure that everything is looking okay. And so that's what I'm doing today. This tote full of books are library books, and we have really been loving that this year. Going to the library, Emmy and I pick out usually around 20 books at a time, and we read a book every single night before we go to bed. In the past, we've read the same books over and over again, ones that we owned, but we love going to the library because it's totally free. You can pick out like up to 100 books at a time, however often you want to, and it's just nice, having fresh books to read and not having to pay for the cost of brand new books because those can get expensive. So we've been loving doing that. I also have been getting into reading. I really like Christian fiction. I've been reading Francine Rivers books right now, and I've loved those. I've read a couple other ones by different authors as well. I typically share the books that I'm reading over on Instagram. So if you're curious to know like what books I recommend, I would be happy to share the ones that I've read so far. So that is going to be it for today's video. I did continue going on and cleaning the rest of my house. It truly was a whole house clean with me, but this video would be way too long if I left all of that footage in one video. So I'm going to split it into 2 parts. So be on the lookout for the next part of this video and see how I clean the rest of my house before our trip to Charleston. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you took the time to do that. That way you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. Please let me know too what types of videos you would like to see from me. I am all ears for that. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, you can do that at Allie_Gooch and hang out with us on a more day-to-day basis over there. And lastly, don't forget to check out Birch Living. We love our Birch Living mattress, and I really do think that you will too. So if you're on the market for a new mattress, then you can go ahead and click the link in the description box below, and you will get $400 off of your Birch mattress plus 2 free pillows. All right, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.